Okay, so today we're going to make our Pegasus. You're going to be using black oil pastel, and we are going to start in the middle top part of our page, but we're not going to go all the way to the top because we want to leave a little space for ears. So you're going to draw a horizontal line, and if you put your hand on top of that line, it can go a tiny bit past, or it can be about the size of your palm of your hand. So I have a little bit coming out on that side. And then I'm going to go ahead and do another line towards the bottom, but again, I'm not going to go all the way down. I'm going to come up a little bit. I'm going to try to go right underneath here. I'm going to do another horizontal line. This one, if I put my hand on top, a little bit shows on either side, just a tiny bit. Then I'm going to take my oil pastel and I'm going to connect it all the way down. And now I'm going to add my ears. So you get to choose. Do you want your ears going down? Do you want them going at a diagonal? Do you want them going straight up? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do mine out to the side. So I'm going to do a line in the direction that I want my ears to go in. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a curved line on one side. And then right from that same line, I come down on the other side. So a curved line up, and then I can come down on the other side. And then I'm going to give it a little area for the mouth. How cute is that? Next up, we're going to do the hair. You can choose what you want to do. You can give it a mohawk if you want. Let's say it comes up like this. Okay, you can kind of give your Pegasus maybe hair that comes down in the middle. You can give it a bow if you would like to. You can give it, let's see, what else can we do? Maybe spiky hair. You have fun with what kind of hair you want. And then we're going to give the area in which our mouth, or which our nose and then our eyes are going to go. So we have to split this space up. So about halfway down this line, I'm going to start. And then I'm going to curve it a little bit. Notice how it's not straight across. It's a tiny little curve. And then I'm going to do two big ovals for my nose. Oval 1, oval 2. And then I'm going to give it a little line above it, kind of like it's wrinkling its nose at us. Okay? And then we're going to do our eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. I'm going to color it in. Circle, color it in. And then I'm going to do another circle around it, because later when we add color to these, we can do whatever color eyes we want. Next up, we're going to do our shoulders. And our shoulders, you see how our face comes down and it curves. Right where that curves, that's where one shoulder is going to be. And it's going to come all the way down until it touches the end of our paper. The same on the other side. Right when it curves, that's where we're going to come down and go all the way to the end of our paper. And that's basically all we need to do for our Pegasus face. I didn't color in the hair. I'm not coloring in the bow. Okay, you could color in the nostrils. Okay, but everything else we're going to leave empty because we're going to be using watercolors to add the color and to fill the space. So do not worry about it. If you want to do anything, if you want, you can add some eyebrows up here. Okay, if you want angry eyebrows, okay, if this was my eyes over here, if you want more angry, serious eyebrows, the lines can go in like this. If you want surprised, like oh my gosh, look at this amazing thing we're about to do, your eyebrows can go out to the side. If you want more happy eyebrows, you can kind of go up like this. You have the choice of how you want to do your eyebrows. You can even make them have a thickness to it so you can fill them in later. You choose. Have fun with it. Okay, our next video is going to be how to do our wings to our Pegasus. So at the very end of the project, it's going to look like this. Oh, I even gave this guy a little teeth. How cute is that? Okay.